What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Dash today. This one comes to us at the request of Andy Overton. Andy, this one's for you, my man. You requested it, so here we are. Looking at this thing, kind of looks like, like most crypto, right? You had this big sell-off. Whoa, hold on, wait a second. We're on the daily. Okay, so that was back here, actually. All right, sorry. This just kind of looks like the 4 hour of like it kind of looks similar, just minus the this secondary drop here. You are getting a lower low, you can see, after you're hugging up this higher high area here. Man, I bet you are close to finding your low. I can't believe you actually are so low right now, man. Let's see. I don't know if this is the best chart to use. Dash USDT maybe. Does have more data. I'm pretty sure we can go back further though. Let's do it. Let's see. I'm surprised that those ones don't have, let's see. Qcoin, is Dash just that new? I don't think it is, man. I think it existed back in 2017, 2018. Yep, there we go. Bittrex was the chart. Looks like we had a long gap here for some reason. I don't know, man. I want to find a chart that looks good. Let's see. Maybe just the USD. Maybe just the USD on Binance. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is the one. USDT, it's not as much, but the USD one is there. So sometimes you got to finesse it, you guys. You got to look for the right chart to get you a better look at this thing, you know. So looking at it here on a monthly, there's still, even though this is the most historical data that I can find, still not a lot of data. I would not regard this as the all-time low. I would not regard this as the all-time high. Just a couple of notes there. But I would regard this one as the all-time high. All-time high to the current low, man. Let's do this actually. So it looks like you topped off in your sweet spot area here between the 618 and the 69. Literally right there. You guys have seen me point this out on many videos if you've been watching the channel for a while. If we go from the low to high here, rejecting this on the first pass and not seeing a second pass would imply, that's why I'm taking this fib now, reversing it, flipping it, would imply that you see extensions. So by default, the fact that we're below this 100 area, I would already assume that we are. Dash is going to go below $15, potentially even below $10. It could go, it literally could. I know as traumatic as it sounds, it could go all the way down to about $6, $5, something like that. I don't know if it will. You know, Dash is an OG coin. It's just, you know, for what it is for an OG coin, most OGs don't look like this, man. You can find a lot of coins from 2017 that even if they don't have higher highs, they're still maintaining higher lows. Litecoin's a perfect example. Ethereum Classic is a perfect example, though that one does have higher highs as well. But there's, you know, let's see, I wonder even like NEO, NEO USD. I don't know which one. We'll just do crypto here. Yeah, you know, like you don't have higher highs, but you don't have lower lows, right? You might be forming them, but you don't have them yet. Where this is a pretty sad looking chart for something as like old as Dash, man. No volume, no interest at all. Maybe we'll find some interest at lower prices. That's what I'm getting out of this, man. Looking at it from a low here to a high there. We are, at the moment, finding support on the 1272. It looks like you came back up already to bounce off the 886. No, you didn't. Okay, you just tested it here. You probably are, man. You probably are making your way. The 1786 here is right on that 1272. You probably are making your way down to prices that are below $15. Hopefully you hold that. If you can hold that, you know, then there's hope that you can at least bounce back up to about $42. That would be a nice move. I would not be buying this thing now personally. This is not financial advice, but would I be selling it now? No. You know, you are you're literally at all-time lows. That old saying, buy high, sell low, or no, what? It's buy low, sell high. There we go, right? So don't be buying high and selling low. That's really what I'm trying to get at there. So I don't really know if I have anything else that I want to add on this. You know, Dash, just the way that it looks, man, if I had to be completely frank, why should I believe that we even get above this high here? You know, if you want to be exciting, okay, let's be exciting. Maybe it goes below $15. Let's say you buy it at like $17, okay? Because maybe you don't catch the absolute low, but maybe you catch it around there. And it goes up to form another lower high, maybe around here. That's still a 12x. You can still do good things with Dash. From the current price, that's still a 7, almost an 8x. That's still nice, you know, but I don't know, man. I don't know. And I'm just eyeballing it there, but let's see if any fibs kind of like line up with that. Again, if you were to go to like about $15, just below that, wouldn't you know it, the 1618 is right there, and that would be if you rejected this from low to high here, or if you found support on this 1272, which is right where I drew that anchor, like literally right there. So if you find support down there, the 1618 is all the way up here, man, and you definitely could find a bounce up there. Let's see, or a move up there. Let's see if we did that last time from top to bottom. 1414, you know, deeper extension, or not a deeper extension, a shallower extension, but still, you know, that's not a bad. Even if you don't see the 1618 over here, the 1414 would still be, from this current price, still be a 5x, almost a 6x. So that's nice. But if it goes lower, then that number only goes up. You could potentially see a 10x. But why should I believe that we go any higher? You know, why should I believe that we're going to take out this previous high or this high here? It just seems to me like there's no interest in this thing, man. Let's look at the Dash USDT chart, because we're talking about volume. Yeah, it's sad to see, man. Dash had a lot of support behind it. It's a big coin, man. It's an OG. It's got, you know, I respect the project. I just think, honestly, being real here, I think it's something that's forgotten about, and it will show the price action of a forgotten about coin. That's just how it is. Sad to say. I don't like it. I don't like it. I wouldn't buy here. If I was going to buy, I'd probably buy below $15. That would be my honest interpretation of this. Do I think it goes lower than this? Yes. Does it do it immediately? Yes, probably. Doesn't look good. It could go up a little bit from here. You could go all the way back up to around $30, but all in all, I don't think that this low is going to hold for long. This RSI is showing some hidden bearish divergence. You've got a peak up here. You've got these two peaks that are higher than that peak while presenting lower prices. Not necessarily a good look. It's not a bad look, right, to kind of bounce and then hold your position like this without moving lower, but I don't know, man. Volume's increasing, it looks like, a little bit, but what are you doing with price? You're not doing anything. So you're going to get an explosion one way or another. You know, if it goes up, be wary that it might be a fake out. You could get a move up like this and then just really shit the bed. If it goes down, still be wary of the other way too. You could get a double bottom and then go up, but honestly, I would expect that you go lower. That's my interpretation. I would think, just the way that the fibs look, man, I think that you're going to go below $15, if not potentially even below $6, as crazy as that might sound. Yeah, that's all I got for you. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.